Hey Dad, happy Father's Day. I'm going to show you how to play Go Cubs Go today because they're playing the Pittsburgh Pirates and it makes most sense to learn a song about the Cubs winning. So, first it starts with a G chord, and I'll put the chords up here so you can follow along, alright? Baseball season is underway. Well, you'd better get ready for a brand new day. Hey Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. They're singing Go Cubs Go, Go Cubs Go. Hey Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. And then here's the second verse. They've got power, they've got speed to be the best in the National League. Well, this is the year and the Cubs are real. So come on down to Wrigley Field. They're singing Go Cubs Go, Go Cubs Go. Hey Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. And there is a third verse. Here it comes. Baseball time is here again. You can catch it all on WGN. So stomp your feet and clap your hands. Chicago Cubs have the greatest fans. They're singing Go Cubs Go, Go Cubs Go. Hey Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. So that's how you play the verses and the chorus for Go Cubs Go. Happy Father's Day. They're playing the Pirates today. Let's get those pesky Pirates. Go Cubs Go.